Good evening everyone, this is Caking at Midnight. I want to thank everyone for all the love on my last video, the fault line cake. If this is your first time here and like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tonight we'll be doing a 2-tier Lego Ninjago cake. Please leave your questions and comments down below. First I will start with rolling out the fondant to cover each tier. I use cooking spray to roll out my fondant, but you may use cornstarch as well. Next, cut out an oval shape in yellow for the Lego face. Now we will take strips of red fondant to make the head wrap. These do not need to be smooth or perfect by any means. It will give the look of a cloth wrap. Once it is covered, then take a few smaller pieces to make the tie on the side of his head with a knot. Next, you can add your eyes and eyebrows. I made ninja stars by using a star cookie cutter and then using a circle cutter to cut out the center. For the bamboo pieces, I just rolled out some brown fondant and then used my tools to make indentations on them to make them look more realistic. Using a small leaf cutter, I added a few leaves to the bamboo and then added some black luster dust on a paintbrush to add some more detail to the bamboo along with the leaves. I used black and white fondant formed around a 6-inch cake pop stick to form the knife. On all of my decorations that I need to dry fast, I mix Untitled powder with the fondant. Once I have it formed to the shape I want, I lay it flat on a cake drum and put them into the oven. Don't turn the oven on, just turn the light on and shut the door. Usually by the next morning things are good and dry and ready to put on the cake. Gum paste is also very good for decorations when you need something to dry hard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Take this field.